Ah, siya.
Dog, please. Dog, please.
It's May 2. May 2, 2025. Rata and Tui. Very close. There's no fights, I think. They're fine.
It's okay.
Go, Kylie, go! You're doing amazing, sweetie! Oh, other side. Next one, next one. Okay, next one, go, go. Okay.
It's what I mean. May 6, 2025. They're very cute. No signs of fighting. We've changed the orientation, and mouse one who has unta, nindot kaya siya pag-bounce like 1, 2, 3. Karon naglibog na siya, so mo-skip siya, so he would go 1, 2, 3. So na. May 14, 2025, for them to stay in the middle. We are closing all the doors and we are putting treats just so that he could be accustomed to sitting there in the middle.
Narito ako. Sa dater.
Kuan.
May 19, 2025, for them to stay in the middle. We are putting treats after every hour that they go through para maanad sila na dala sila sa tuma. After which, this trial, ang mga polo treats, or mag-expect sila na ay something sa middle so that they can stay.
We have rat 1. Okay, opening door 1. Play ko open to door 2 na. Here. No, not there. Here. Dira, sulod. Diri ka. Here. Diri, sulod. Trial 1 for Tui. Go. Eh? Ipastay siya sa middle. Next. Sige na. May 22, 2025, Rata, we have no pag-asa na ni Tui. Musunod siya basta na kamo. Counterclockwise siya ha. Ma-distract siya.
Last na lang kay mga tulad.
Sige na! Ganahan siya mulatay sa akong kuanay. Ano sa mga gadi nga?
Nga naman ka, mura lagi kag basa kayo.
Nag-groom mo na siya siyang self. Pwede ito sila. Yeah, pero din. Ang hug siya. Kailangan pa may mag-ila-ila. Friends man ta, oy.